Okay, and now we're looking at a little space heater. And this looks really small, because as you can see by my hand, it's really small. However, these are the handiest little things. I had one of these a while back, left it in my office, and somebody swapped it out from under my desk, I think. Maybe I loaned it to them. There's our manual. But these are really handy, like if you're sitting at the desk and your feet are chilly, but you don't want to go turn up the electric in the whole room and get everybody else burning up, then these are just the perfect little things, because they can sit right by your feet. And just warm your little toes up. They're just a tiny little thing in a way, but they put out a lot of nice heat. Simple little switch to work it. You got 2 settings there. And an off, so you can do 2 different ones. Don't have a plug sitting right here by it, but they really are good to use. They have automatic, if you raise them up or they tip over, they automatically cut off. So really really nice small heater. Work pretty well underneath the desk or in a small bathroom. It has tilt, so if it tips over, it's going to go off. Has 2 heat settings. But it's really compact and handy.